This process begins with strict quality control and expert handling.
Every step is carefully monitored in a controlled environment.
Sorting ensures uniform quality for premium products. Clean skins are now ready for softening. Natural and synthetic agents strengthen the fibers.
This step defines the leather's lifespan.
Resting allows chemicals to fully penetrate.
Flexibility is a key sign of high-grade leather. Flexibility is a key sign of high-grade leather.
Neutralization balances the skin's pH level.
Excess chemicals are washed away safely.
Technology ensures consistent results.
The natural scale pattern remains intact.
Precision coloring defines the luxury finish.
Each scale absorbs pigment uniquely.
Drying locks in the rich tones.
Gentle pressure protects delicate scales.
Only flawless sections are selected.
Precision cutting minimizes waste.
Sharp tools ensure clean edges.
Assembly begins with expert stitching.
Strong seams guarantee durability. Even one mistake can ruin the product.
Soft lining adds comfort.
Premium accessories complete the design.
Every jacket is thoroughly inspected.
Only perfection passes this stage.
Natural patterns must align beautifully.
This is the heart of premium snake leather production.
Only the finest skins are chosen.
Every scale tells a story of quality.
Consistency is the key to perfection.
Gentle cleaning preserves natural texture.
Precision at every step ensures excellence.
Prepared for the tanning process.
Transformation begins in these chemical baths. Fibers are strengthened and textures enhanced. Even absorption ensures premium finish. Flexibility is tested to perfection. Slow-drying locks in texture and quality.
A foundation of luxury leather.
Uniform color, unmatched elegance.
Every scale reacts uniquely, creating natural beauty.
Color locked and ready for finishing.
Gloss added without harming delicate scales.
Clean edges, ready for stitching.
Where raw panels transform into luxury.
Comfort meets opulence.
Premium materials applied with care.
Nothing less than flawless is allowed. Every section works in perfect harmony. Precision continues at every step.
Thickness defines durability.
Natural patterns are carefully preserved.
This is where luxury production begins.
Nothing less than flawless is allowed.
Only selected snakeskins are used.
Only selected snakeskins are used.
Skins are ready for tanning.
Fibers are strengthened.
Gentle washing protects scales.
Skins are sorted by size.
Chemicals settle evenly.